Hi you guys, it's Karina. So I am back with another very quick tutorial today for you guys, and today it's going to be on my template 87. So this flower is more inspired like a tropical flower. I can never speak with you guys. A tropical flower, kind of like a hibiscus kind of vibes is what I was going for. So I want to show you guys how to make this soup. She's honestly so super simple and easy to make. So as mentioned, I am using my template 87, and let me show you what the template looks like. So it does come with 4 petals, but this only requires 2 of the petals. So you're going to be using the largest petal and then the 3rd petal. Okay, so you're omitting the 1st petal and then this one right here. Okay, now this template does come, well, like I said, with 4 petals, but she does have other sisters. I call them sisters. So templates 58 and then 86, 87, 88, 80, and 89. They're all the same flower templates. So meaning like the shape wise, but they are different sizes. Template 58 became very popular for a few years back, and she was highly requested for her to make her into a smaller version. So for example, here is template 88. Okay, so just so you can kind of see like the size difference. So there's definitely other sizes there if, you know, whoever has a preference. Let me show you the other ones. Here is template 88. Here's template 89. So as you can see, that's the little mini version. And this is the original template 58. So you can see the size difference here. So if you're interested in any of those sizes, you can see those on my Etsy, available SVG and PDF. So you will get both, just because I know some prefer hand cutting and some prefer their machines to cut for them. Personally, I use both. Mostly, like for the larger petals, I do hand cut, you guys, just because I don't have the patience for Cricut. But for example, the little mini template 89, she's small enough where I can cut multiple on a sheet for Cricut, and so I do tend to use the SVG a lot more with this one. So definitely look on Etsy so you can see the different sizes. If you go back to the video that I just posted before this one, I do show you guys how to make other flowers using this template, and I do go more in depth about the sizes and all that if you are interested in that. Okay, so let's get started. Here my petals are all prepped. So as mentioned, remember we needed 6 of the largest, and then we need 12 of the second to smallest petal. Now I want you to notice the curling. So for these, I did 3 curled front, back, and then 3 curled back, front. And then I did the same thing here. So I have 6 curled one way and 6 curled the other way. Okay, so let's get started with your largest. So I am using 65-pound cardstock weight. This is from Michaels. It was part of one of their blue packs, I want to say. So I'm adding a small dot of glue. So this petal is curled forward. So now I'm going to grab the one that's back. And you're adding a small dot just in case we have to readjust the petals. So your goal here is just to go around in a circle. But sometimes the circle does not look like a circle. So that's why I just add a small amount of glue just in case if we have to readjust. All right, and I am done with the first layer. Now we need the same color. I'm gonna grab some scissors because we need to cover up that hole that we have there. So I am going to add some glue. Cover it up. Okay, so now get your next petals. Okay, so now we are going to go right here. So notice how, there we go. They're focusing. Notice how these petals are back. So I'm going to put a petal that is forward. So now just alternate the curls. And that's it. Definitely a nice quick flower. All right, so we're done with that layer, so we're gonna go on to the next. And then as you can see, I am just going in between. Okay, and we are all done. So now we need a center. Okay, so I'm going to be using my pink center 4. Obviously you can use whichever center you want. I also have a, actually, you know, I should try it. I haven't tried it to see if it would be cute. I do have a hibiscus center that I released, I want to say last year. I'm wondering if that would be cute with this flower. I definitely have to give it a try. But anyways, I'm going to be using this one just because it's super simple. So all you're going to do is just add glue. Now I did layer it, so the image just comes with one, and then obviously you would just have to create various different sizes and then just layer them, and that's it. Voila. Now, just a quick tip though, if you kind of want to know the sizing, like how big you should have your center, use a measuring tape, you guys, and measure the width and see how wide it's going to be. So like this one, the longest one, the larger one was roughly around 4.5. And then from there, I just copied and then just downsized, you know. So, and I think I did, I want to say 4 different sizes. And that's it. I hope you found that helpful. I just wanted to share this quick flower with you guys that is super adorable. And I know spring is coming, summer is coming, which means a lot of tropical parties. So this is definitely, I feel like a flower that would be perfect for that, especially. All right, you guys, sorry, my phone shut off. But as mentioning, fall or spring and summer are here, so I think this is a perfect flower for if you're going to be throwing a tropical party. Which honestly, I've been itching to do a tropical backdrop for the longest time. But anyways, if you have any questions, please email me. I'd be happy to help. Either my Instagram, Ariel Elise Designs, my email, arielelisedesigns@gmail.com. And again, you can apply these steps to all the other sizes. So maybe you have the OG template 58, you can definitely apply these steps that I showed you now to that template, or if you have any of the other sizes. Okay, and yeah, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.